by a management consultancy firm, David Daniels International Services, in cooperation with Malayan Bank and the beneficial PNB Insurance Company. This is the Paglinga Power Savers Program. May savings ka na, may protection ka pa. Ang tawag ko po dito sa savings program na ito ay ang Noli Me Tangere account, the Touch Me Not account, the Patriotic account. Napakasimple po ng tinatawag kong Noli Me Tangere account. Mamimili po kayo sa tatlong plano. Sa Plan A, you will set aside 470 pesos a month. 250 po niyan ay pupunta sa savings at yung 220 sa insurance and other services. Sa Plan B po, you set aside 720 pesos a month. Yung 500 po pupunta sa savings at yung 220 sa insurance and other services. Sa Plan C naman, you are asked to set aside 1,395 pesos. Yung 1,000 pupunta sa savings nyo, yung 395 sa insurance and other services. Pag-usapan po muna natin yung savings. This program is a 5-year savings program. Noli Me Tangere account. You will deposit every month for 5 years the amount of the plan that you choose. Doon po sa 250 pesos, after 5 years, you would have saved 15,000 pesos. Doon po sa Plan B, 30,000 pesos. At sa Plan C, 60,000 pesos. After 5 years po, tapos na yung programa. You may stop depositing. After 5 years and 1 day, the bank guarantees you 8.5% interest from day 1. Ang normal interest rate po ngayon sa bangko ng savings is 0.75% interest. But dahil ito po ay compounding interest at hindi nyo ginalaw yung dineposit nyo, ginagaranti po ng bangko 8.5%. If after 5 years, you stop depositing, at dahil Noli Me Tangere account, hindi nyo ginalaw yung account nyo, it will double up every 5 years.